started with what I call the articles triangle. The articles triangle has indefiniteness. Now, indefiniteness is an interesting thing. It lives beyond the sentence in little words, in adjuncts, in complements, in objects. I mean, okay, it might seem a stretch to say that the complement of a sentence is indefinite, but it is really because it's happening after a verb. Now, a verb, as I've said to my imaginary students in this imaginary presentation, a verb is an energy center, E equals mc squared. The example we used was the cat. All the th words, all positivity, this, there even, there is. This, that, the, they live here. Up here is Martin, up here is Georgian policy on immigration, or whatever. Also links up with some and 20. They're all indefinites which are qualified by something, but they start off as an indefinite. Most, more, many, they would all be roughly here. We would draw them here if we needed them. But if we have a simple sentence, now what is it? The is the important thing, where something positive is going to happen. The cat, okay, the first example, the cat is green, right? Is, not much energy, the cat is green. Now, if we can't be sure the cat seems unhappy, there's a little bit more energy, but not quite so much energy as in Martin, which is here. Martin is explaining this. Martin is explaining this. This, under normal circumstances, would be over here. This lesson is quite interesting. This is a stronger version of that. But at the moment, in another circumstance, which we have here, we have Martin is explaining this. And this now has been softened into something we refer back to in our mind very vaguely. If you say, this is interesting, you have a very strong image in your mind, a great electric charge, flare in your mind. This is interesting. Wow, you're thinking about it. It's impinging on you. Softer. You're not thinking about it. You're referring to it. There's a huge difference between evoking in a language and referring, and especially referring back. Okay, the cat seems unhappy. Martin is explaining this. Now, what I did here was, okay, Martin was explaining this. It's the same thing. It is, but it's backwards, one step backwards in the past. So I thought, well, let's have a three-dimensional clock face, a three-dimensional clock. You can imagine a clock which points you at freely at all 360 degrees. But not only that, it also points in 3 dimensions.